Hey guys, Brandon McGee here at the McGee Law Firm in Texas. And I want to talk to you guys today about leaving a beneficiary designation for your motor vehicle. Okay, so in Texas, we have the DMV, the Department of Motor Vehicle. They cover a lot of territory in terms of handling legal title to motorcycles, RVs, cars, trucks, things like that. Now, let me tell you this. I get asked frequently, the only thing my mom left me, for example, that wasn't beneficiary designated, is the car. Do I have to go to court to get ownership of the car? Do I have to go through probate court, pay the fees, all those things? And the answer is, I don't know, maybe. And the reason I have to give that answer is, it's very murky in Texas, in my opinion, from what I hear from people with the DMV, in terms of, are they going to let you show up at the window at the office of the Department of Motor Vehicle here in Texas and transfer title without going through the court system? Sometimes I'm told, yes, they let me do it. Sometimes I'm told, no, they didn't let me do it. I have had people tell me several times, I went to one motor vehicle, Department of Motor Vehicle office here in the DFW area, and I was told no. I drove 20 minutes to the other one, and they told me yes, they let me do that. So it's very gray, it's very murky. But here's what we don't want to do. We don't want to leave that to chance, because I'm going to tell you, I have on several occasions in my career had to probate an estate through the court system, got paid several $1,000s to do so, just so somebody could get ownership of a car that might be worth $15,000, $18,000, $22,000. It's very, very frustrating. And even for me as the attorney, even though I'm getting paid to do it, it frustrates me on behalf of the client. It's just dumb. So what's our surefire way to avoid this? It's so simple. The Texas Department of Motor Vehicle has their own in-house beneficiary designation forms. You can beneficiary designate upon your death the person that you want to inherit your legal title. So the DMV has these forms. Sometimes the employees at the DMV don't even know they have them. I've had people say, well, I asked for it. They didn't know what I was talking about. But they do have them. They're also online. Now, at our office, we've printed out a bunch of them. We have a big stack of these, and we give them to all of our clients. So if you become our client, we'll give you the forms that you need. But if you're not our client, you're not going to be our client, you can get them from the DMV. You pay, maybe around $28, $30, something like that, to put them on file. And when you pass away, your spouse, your adult child, whoever your beneficiary is, walks in with your death certificate and their ID, and the DMV will change title over to their name. They don't have to come hire an attorney. They don't have to go to court. They don't have to pay thousands of dollars and wait months and months. So I want to encourage all of you guys to use these forms for your motor vehicle. Even if you have a trust, you can leave ownership of a motor vehicle to a trust. You can have your trust own your vehicle. We don't recommend it here. I've heard bad stories from clients over the years about, hey, I put my car in trust, then I went to sell it 2 years later, and it was a total disaster. The employee at the DMV just couldn't understand the concept of what's a trust. How does a non-person own a car? Now, to be fair to the DMV employees, I have lots of well-accomplished people come to my office who have very little idea about what a trust is and how it works. And then we explain it to them. So fair enough. But I want you guys, whether you have a trust or you don't, doesn't matter. Please use the Department of Motor Vehicle beneficiary designation forms for your automobiles. Okay, guys? Thank you.